Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to focus on an issue that affects millions of adults worldwide, lower back pain. Many of us experience discomfort in the lower back, whether due to prolonged sitting, poor posture, weak core muscles, tight hamstrings, or even stress-related tension. The good news is that with a structured set of exercises, performed safely at home, you can relieve pain, improve mobility, and strengthen the muscles that support your spine. In this video, I'll guide you through a complete set of exercises suitable for all fitness levels, from beginners to advanced practitioners, with clear instructions, step-by-step demonstrations, and tips to maximize benefits. By the end, you will have a 20-minute routine that targets not just the lower back but also the core, glutes, and overall stability, helping you move more comfortably in daily life. Let's start with the cat-cow stretch, a foundational exercise for spinal flexibility. This stretch gently mobilizes your spine, releases tension in your shoulders and upper back, and promotes proper spinal alignment. To perform it, start in a tabletop position with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. On an inhale, drop your belly toward the floor, lift your head and tailbone, creating a gentle arch in your back. This is the cow pose. On the exhale, tuck your chin to your chest, round your spine, and push your glutes toward the ceiling into cat pose. Move slowly between these positions, coordinating your breath with your movements. Beginners can start with 5 to 8 reps, holding each pose for 3 to 5 seconds, while advanced users can aim for 12 to 15 reps with longer holds of 5 to 8 seconds, maintaining slow, controlled movements. Remember, focus on deep, mindful breathing to enhance relaxation and spinal release. Next, we have the child's pose stretch, a gentle yet highly effective exercise to lengthen the lower back, hips, and thighs while calming the nervous system. From the tabletop position, bring your knees wider apart and slowly sit your hips back onto your heels. Reach your arms forward, allowing your forehead to rest on the floor. For a deeper stretch, you can gently move your arms side to side. Beginners should hold this pose for 15 to 20 seconds, repeating 2 to 3 times, while advanced users can extend the hold to 30 to 60 seconds and repeat 3 to 5 times. Always breathe slowly and deeply, and if your forehead doesn't reach the floor, go as far as comfortably possible, never force the stretch. The glute bridge is an excellent exercise to strengthen the glutes and lower back while improving pelvic stability. Begin by lying on your back with knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Press through your heels and lift your hips until your knees, pelvis, and shoulders form a straight line. Squeeze your glutes at the top without arching your lower back, and then lower slowly, vertebra by vertebra. Beginners should perform 8 to 10 reps, holding the top for 5 seconds, while advanced practitioners can aim for 15 to 20 reps, holding for 10 seconds, with slow control on the way down. To ensure proper activation, imagine holding a small coin between your glutes as you lift. This visualization helps engage the correct muscles. Moving on to the knee to chest stretch, which targets the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Lie on your back and gently pull one knee toward your chest while keeping the other leg extended or slightly bent. Point your toes slightly to increase comfort and feel the stretch in your lower back and glutes. Beginners can hold this stretch for 10 to 15 seconds and repeat 3 to 5 times per leg, while advanced users may hold for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat 5 to 6 times. Always prioritize gentle pressure and deep breathing over forceful pulling. The bird dog exercise is fantastic for strengthening your core and lower back while improving balance and overall stability. Start in a tabletop position and extend your opposite arm and leg straight, keeping your spine neutral and your belly engaged. Hold briefly, then lower slowly. Beginners can start by extending just the leg or the arm, performing 5 to 8 reps per side. Advanced users can fully extend both arm and leg, performing 10 to 12 reps per side and holding at the top for 5 seconds. Remember, maintaining a tight core is essential. Avoid arching your lower back to prevent strain. The T-trunk rotational stretch enhances spinal mobility and reduces tension in your obliques. Lie on your back without an AT position and knees bent, heels on the floor. Slowly roll your knees to one side while keeping your gaze toward the ceiling, hold for 5 to 10 seconds, and return to center. Repeat on the opposite side. Beginners may perform half rotations if full rotation is difficult, doing 5 reps per side, while advanced users can aim for full rotations, 8 to 10 reps per side, holding each for up to 10 seconds. Move slowly, maintain control, and relax your shoulders to gain maximum benefit. The good morning stretch is designed to strengthen the hamstrings and teach proper hip hinge mechanics, which reduces lower back strain. Stand with your hands at your temples, hinge at your hips, pushing your hips back while keeping your spine neutral and knees slightly bent. Avoid rounding your back. Return slowly to standing. Beginners can do 8 to 10 reps, holding for 3 to 5 seconds, while advanced users may perform 12 to 15 reps, holding for 5 to 8 seconds. A helpful tip is to imagine closing a car door behind you with your hips. This ensures proper hinge mechanics. Finally, the Superman exercise targets the lower back, glutes, and shoulders while enhancing posture and spinal stability. Lie face down with arms forward and legs extended. Lift your chest and legs off the floor, keeping your belly and lower chest in contact. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds, then lower slowly. Beginners can lift just the arms first, then the legs, while advanced users perform the full lift, holding for 20 to 30 seconds and repeating 3 to 5 times. Keep your neck neutral, gaze toward the floor, and breathe steadily throughout. In conclusion, incorporating these 8 exercises into a consistent routine can significantly reduce lower back pain, improve flexibility, and strengthen the muscles that support your spine. Beginners should focus on 15 to 20 minutes of proper, controlled movement, while advanced users can extend holds, increase repetitions, and complete a full 20-minute session for maximum benefits. Always prioritize slow, mindful movements over rushing through exercises, and aim to practice this routine at least 4 to 5 times per week for optimal results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more professional health tips, physiotherapy exercises, and guidance to improve your mobility and overall well-being.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.